Hello everybody, how are you? Okay, I hope you are good. So let's get ready with the class. Have your copybooks and your pencils ready, okay? Very good. Okay, so today we are going to start with a new unit. This is Unit 8, okay? So what day is it today? What's the weather like today? And how are you feeling today? I hope that you are very good. Okay, so let's start with Unit 8. So look at the pictures. What do you think Unit 8 is about? ¿De qué creen que se trata esta unidad? So we have here two girls. Look, we have like a party, okay? Or we have got balloons, cake, okay, bracelets. Okay, very good. So let's scroll down a little bit. Okay, so please answer these questions. What are the girls' costumes? Okay, so what are they? Are they princesses? Are they policemen? Okay, some payasas, clowns. Okay, and answer this question. Do you like making things? And which things do you like? ¿Te gusta crear cosas? ¿Y qué cosas te gustan crear? For example, I like making masks. I like making masks. Okay, so open to Students Book, page 83. So let's start with activity 1, and it is look at the pictures and what can you see? So here we have 3 pictures and we have blue clue. Now you're going to write, okay? What is this? Is this glue? Is this a ruler? Is this a pencil case? Or is it scissors? Okay, write down the animal and what is this? Is this a hot dog? Okay, very good. Now, you are going to watch the big question video, okay? So, first, watch the big question video. Miren el video de big question, okay? And activity 3, when you finish watching the video, you do activity 3, okay? So answer the questions about the video. Number 1, what can Brandon make? What can Brandon make things for? ¿Para qué puede Brenda hacer cosas? Where's Lily today? What are they doing? ¿Qué están haciendo? What are they making? What color is Lily's hat? Has Brandon mask got big white eyes? ¿Tiene la máscara de Brandon ojos grandes y blancos? Has the picture of Brandon's costume got a blue t-shirt? ¿Tiene la foto de disfraz de Brandon una remera azul? Okay, so here is the Students Book, page 84. Listen, point, and repeat. Okay, listen, point, señalen y repitan. Audio 136. So this is the page. Acuérdense que es muy importante que se aprendan este nuevo vocabulario. Okay, so look, here we have photo frame. Okay, this is a photo frame. Okay, un cuadro de fotos. 2, decorations, las decoraciones. 3, cake. 4, bracelets. Okay, un bracelete puesto. Una pulsera. 5, mask. 6, calendar. This is the calendar. Okay, calendario. Box. 8, card. 9, puppet. And 10, badge. Okay, once you finish with this, you can sing, okay? You can sing the song. That is audio 137. Now, what you're going to do, you're going to open to activity book page 62, okay? Page 62. You're going to listen and number. So here we have a girl, here we have a boy, and they're all wearing costumes. Están todos disfrazados, okay? So you're going to listen and number. To finish, you are going to complete exercise 2 from the activity book, page 62. Now, look, what are they making? In sheet number 1, I'm making socks. Okay, she's making socks. Do you make socks? Okay, so number 2, look at what they are doing. Okay, everybody, so when you finish, you can send me your homework. I hope you have a great weekend and I will see you on Monday.